Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that combines classic grooming with modern design, the MÜHLE Hexagon Forest 3-piece Silvertip Fiber Shaving Set. Whether you're a seasoned shaver or a beginner, this set promises an elevated experience. Let's break it down and see how it measures up. The MÜHLE Hexagon Forest Shaving Set is a premium grooming kit that includes a closed comb razor, a Silvertip fiber brush, and a stand. Designed for a truly comfortable and efficient shave, the razor features a closed-tooth comb design, while the brush uses advanced Silvertip fiber, a synthetic material praised for its softness and durability. And let's not forget the modern hexagonal handle, designed by Mark Braun, which adds an ergonomic touch to the entire experience. The razor is designed with a closed comb head, which ensures an even shave while preventing buildup behind the blade. It's specifically designed for a close, smooth shave, making it ideal for those who like a traditional wet shave without the irritation. This closed comb design provides a cleaner shave, particularly around areas like the chin and jawline. It's efficient, but it requires the right angle to get the best results, so it may take a little practice for newcomers to the safety razor world. Now, let's talk about the brush. Made from Silvertip fiber, this brush mimics the softness of natural badger hair, while offering the benefits of synthetic fibers: quick drying, durable, and easy to maintain. The fibers are soft yet stable, creating a luxurious lather that's both gentle and effective on the skin. The brush provides a great balance between softness and firmness, helping you create a thick, creamy lather that makes the shaving process smoother. The standout feature of this set is its handle design. The hexagonal shape not only looks modern, but also feels incredibly comfortable and easy to grip, even when wet. The ergonomics here are exceptional, offering a secure hold that reduces the chances of slipping, which is crucial when you're working with a safety razor. Plus, the stand adds an element of convenience and keeps everything neatly organized on your bathroom counter. After incorporating this set into my routine, I found that the closed comb razor gave me a precise shave with minimal irritation, which is a huge plus for sensitive skin. The brush, on the other hand, created a rich lather that helped the razor glide smoothly across my skin. While it took a bit of getting used to with the razor's angle, once I found my rhythm, I really enjoyed the precision it offered. In terms of pros, the set's ergonomic design and the high-quality Silvertip fiber brush are definitely standouts. The razor gives a clean shave without the buildup you might get with other razors, and the handle is a joy to use, even during extended shaves. On the downside, the set's price might be a concern for some. It's definitely on the higher end, but given the quality of the materials and the craftsmanship, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their grooming routine. When it comes to value for money, I think this set offers good value, especially for those who appreciate the art of a traditional shave but want the durability and performance of modern materials. The craftsmanship is impressive, and MÜHLE's commitment to sustainability adds another layer of appeal. However, it might not be the best choice for those on a tight budget, as there are more affordable shaving sets out there, though they may lack the same level of quality. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of options in the market that offer similar performance, though they may not have the same design or sustainability factor. Brands like Merkur and Edwin Jagger offer shaving sets at a lower price point, but you might have to compromise on the brush material or design. In terms of build quality, this set is top-notch. The materials used are durable, and the razor head is solid without feeling too heavy. The brush is well made, and the stand is a nice touch to keep everything organized. I can see this set lasting for years, provided it's well maintained. Now, if you're wondering whether this set is right for you, I'd say it's ideal for anyone who values high-quality grooming tools with a sustainable edge. If you're someone who enjoys the ritual of shaving, appreciates fine design, and wants a product that will stand the test of time, this set is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.